Welcome to another massive mining operation, where heavy machinery takes center stage in one of the toughest working environments on Earth. In this video, we feature the Hitachi Excavator, a true giant in the world of construction and mining. Watch as it tackles heavy-duty digging, precise loading, and non-stop earth-moving tasks with remarkable efficiency. From scooping tons of soil to loading massive trucks, every movement highlights the combination of raw power, advanced hydraulics, and operator skill. This is more than just machinery at work. It's the backbone of modern mining projects. Hitachi excavators are globally recognized for their strength, durability, and advanced engineering, making them a trusted choice in mining industries worldwide. These machines are built to handle extreme workloads, ensuring non-stop productivity even in harsh climates and rugged terrains. Equipped with high-performance hydraulic systems, they deliver smooth yet powerful movements, making digging, lifting, and loading faster and more efficient. In mining projects, excavators like this are used to remove overburden, extract raw materials, and load haul trucks with huge amounts of soil, sand, or rock. With a heavy-duty bucket and reinforced boom, a Hitachi excavator can move several cubic meters of material in one pass, drastically reducing operating time. These machines are not just powerful, they are also designed with fuel efficiency and environmental care in mind, ensuring lower emissions and reduced operating costs. Operators benefit from advanced cabins with better visibility, comfort, and control systems, allowing them to work long shifts without fatigue. Hitachi's reputation for innovation, reliability, and cutting-edge design keeps them at the front line of massive mining operations around the world. That concludes this showcase of a massive mining operation featuring the incredible Hitachi Excavator in full action. From digging deep into the ground to loading trucks with massive amounts of material, it proves why this machine is considered one of the most reliable and productive tools in the mining industry. These operations remind us how essential heavy machinery is in shaping our world, powering construction, and driving industrial growth. If you enjoyed watching the raw strength and precision of this excavator, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing heavy equipment action. Stay tuned for more massive mining and construction content coming soon.